Hey guys, coming to you with an update about the 65 SS 396 project. The chassis is now done. Check it out. All right, we're heading out to the barn. We're gonna check this bad boy out. I wanna show you the progress that I made. Okay, here we go. We're coming into the barn here. Get ready. It is on all four wheels. 20 by 8.5 all the way around. Look at those meats. Yeah. This thing is pretty slick. I have to admit, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Look at that. Stainless steel brake lines, urethane bushings, KYB shocks, all new rear end GM 12 volt, 373 gears, bearings, seals, crush sleeve, gaskets, axle shafts, you name it. Brakes, bolts, even did the the octagon, whatever. New springs. Boom. Look at that. I'm gonna be afraid to drive this thing. Now we just need to figure out what we're gonna do with the motor. I'm thinking a 496 stroked, bored out 454. We need at least 600 horsepower in this bad boy. Make this big car move. I think I've decided I'm gonna go with the TKX 5-speed manual. My wife's short. She didn't want me to do the manual transmission, but I think I'll put a power seat in there so she can reach the pedals. Yeah, we're gonna make this baby a stick shift. But anyway, the chassis is now complete. We are ready for the engine, transmission, drive shaft. The next thing I want to do is take the body in, have it media blasted, get it primed or EPDM coated. Then we can start doing our floor pan replacements, replacing the sheet metal that needs to be replaced. I'm thinking about setting it back on the chassis, bolting the doors on, getting the core support on, and mocking this car up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Then we'll start the body work, get it all painted. It's gonna be ermine white with the red SS interior. I can't wait to see it with these wheels. I looked and looked and looked, and I gotta tell you, I fell in love with these wheels. I saw them online and I had to have them. I just love them. Look at that disc brake conversion kit behind there. That is so sweet. Anyway, I wanted to give you a quick update. This is the chassis all done. Sitting on 4 brand new wheels and tires. So hopefully the next update will be with a nice rebuilt big block engine sitting in here with a manual TKX 5-speed transmission and a custom made drive shaft. Then we'll be ready to start on the body. We'll get this project rolling. All right, thanks for checking it out and thanks for staying with me. Hit that subscribe button. Talk to you soon.